Good morning. Kagigising ko pa lang. Hello nga pala doon sa mga basher ko sa Instagram. Ang sabi ba naman, kita daw yung double chin ko. Opo, may double chin ako at mataba ako at wala kayong pakialam kasi may pambili akong pagkain. But this video is not about that. This video is about this trending video. Tinaga ko doon sa video, hindi ako doon magre-reply sa tag because I don't want to bring engagement doon sa mismong video. But when they said, working from home,
encourages laziness and complacence.
and the comment that took the cake,
Makes you dumber.
remember when I said that freelancing is not for everyone? That didn't just imply na freelancing or working from home is not for the weak of heart or mga bobo. It could also mean that the lifestyle, the laptop lifestyle is really not for everyone. Remember guys, tinuruan ko yung kapatid ko mag-work from home not once, but twice. But it didn't work out because this is just not the lifestyle that's for him. He's the kind of person that thrives in a different environment. The other comments like it's boring, been there, done that, those are valid feelings because simply hindi para sa kanila. But the comment about it, complacency and laziness, it really depends on the person. CEO's comment that it makes you dumb, it really depends on the person. Kahit nasan ka pang work setup, kung paulit-ulit yung ginagawa mo, kahit naman nasa corporate ka kung paulit-ulit yung ginagawa mo, talagang bobo ka nun. Actually, sorry, let me correct myself, hindi bobo. It's just that, hindi na nai-stretch yung brain cells mo in such a way na mag-expand siya to be open to more knowledge. Teka, nag-second thought ako, baka nabobobo nga ako dahil sa bahay ako nag-work. Charot lang, sige may klase ako, bye.